For many non-Arabic speakers, the primary way to interact with the Quran is through a localized translation. Looking at these dense side columns, it becomes clear how much the reader must rely on secondary notes to bridge the gap between two different languages. The difficulty is that a direct one-to-one translation often strips away the historical and emotional weight of the original phrasing. When we force a complex ancient concept into a single modern word, we lose the context that gave it life. The original Arabic text is built with layers of meaning. Every word choice is tied to an ancient linguistic structure that holds more information than a standard translation can carry on its own. Relying solely on these translations can turn the study of the Quran into a passive experience of reading about the text rather than directly hearing how the text speaks. Mastering those linguistic layers traditionally requires decades of academic study. These rows of multi-volume encyclopedias represent the scale of the challenge for anyone trying to navigate classical Arabic through traditional linguistics alone. This creates a massive barrier. It raises the question of whether it's possible to understand the depth of the text without spending a lifetime in a library. The solution involves a shift in perspective. Instead of trying to memorize an entire dictionary, you can focus on the foundational structural blocks that the language is built upon. Seeing the internal architecture of these words changes the way you approach the entire text. This architecture is based on akar kata, or root words. These act as the structural DNA of the Arabic language. Arabic words are not isolated units. They are nodes within a network, all sharing these genetic roots to communicate related ideas. A single root structure generates several words. Though used differently, they retain the root's core concept. This is a force multiplier. Mastering one root identifies the core concept within dozens of seemingly unrelated Quranic words. The Arabic of the Quran functions as a mathematical network of meaning. To understand it, you simply need the right map to navigate the web. Quran intelligence is designed to provide that map. It avoids the flat approach of standard translations and focuses on the most fundamental root words to build a base of understanding. For a beginner, trying to track these linguistic connections manually is a nearly impossible task. The sheer amount of data is overwhelming. Here, contextual AI becomes the primary tool. It scans the text to instantly highlight root connections. The AI serves as a tutor, bringing invisible historical context to the surface, showing how different verses link by shared roots. Ancient word morphology and modern AI processing work together to present the Quran as an interactive, navigable system of knowledge. This systemic method moves the focus from memorizing individual definitions to recognizing recurring patterns. The result is the development of a fondasi cara berfikir Qur'ani, a foundational Quranic way of thinking. This structural mindset creates a living understanding of the text, allowing the reader to see how its concepts connect to the world around them. This structural approach allows students to analyze complex linguistic layers that were once only available through specialized academic study. This platform is a journey from surface-level reading to profound meaning. Begin your study now at QuranIntelligence.id.